I'm about to show you something inside Go High Level that makes the old way of building funnels feel painfully slow. This is the old way of building funnels in Go High Level: templates, edits, sections, buttons, calendars, mobile tweaks. And this is the new way. You describe the funnel, choose the goal, and AI Studio builds the first draft for you. That is a massive shift if you build funnels for clients or you're learning Go High Level from scratch. Before you build anything, you have to activate the right lab settings inside High Level. Go to Settings, then Labs, and switch on AI Studio. You also have to switch on websites and funnels, because that is what lets AI Studio build the funnel properly. Once both of those are switched on, High Level has the right tools available for this build. AI Studio is where we give the instruction. Websites and funnels is what lets it create the actual funnel structure. So now the setup is done, we can move from settings into the fun part, giving it the prompt and letting it build the first draft. Instead of thinking about, how do I build this from scratch? You can start by asking, what do I want this funnel to do? And if you are not sure how to write the prompt, you can use ChatGPT or Claude first. Ask it to create a clear funnel prompt for the type of business you are building for. This finished dog grooming funnel started with one AI prompt. Go High Level AI Studio built the first draft, including the hero section, services, trust points, FAQ, and a booking area ready for a calendar. Now, I would still check everything before publishing, but as a starting point, this is seriously useful. I'm Sam from Automation Clarity Hub, and we're High Level affiliates. If you want to test this yourself, you can use our affiliate bootcamp link to get a 30-day free trial of High Level. I'll also show you the prompt I used, so you can try building something like this inside AI Studio. Now let's rewind and build it. Here's the prompt I used. I'm not just asking for a nice-looking page. I'm telling it the business type, the goal, the style, the sections, and the booking system I want. That's important because vague prompts usually create basic funnels. For this one, the goal is simple. Build a modern dog grooming funnel that gets people to book an appointment. Now I'm pasting that prompt into Go High Level AI Studio, so this is where the workflow changes. Instead of starting with a blank funnel and dragging everything in manually, I'm giving Go High Level the full brief first. The AI now knows what the funnel is for before it starts building. Now watch what happens. Go High Level starts turning that prompt into an actual funnel draft. You can see it building the structure, the headline, the hero section, the service area, and the booking flow. This is the part that normally takes the longest when you're starting from scratch. You do not need to watch me read the whole prompt. The important part is this. The prompt gives Go High Level 4 things: the business, the goal, the design style, and the booking section. That gives AI Studio a proper brief before it starts building. I've sped this part up for the video. The full build took around 8 minutes, so I'm showing you the key moments instead of the whole wait. One thing I did have to fix here, the before and after dog images came out as different breeds in the first draft. That is exactly why you do not just publish the AI version blindly. I told AI Studio to correct the before and after section so the dogs match properly, and that took a few extra minutes. So the first draft was fast, but the review step still matters. The calendar section also needed a quick fix. In the first draft, the calendar was not fully sitting inside the frame, so I asked AI Studio to correct the layout. That only took a few extra minutes, but it's exactly why you always check the page before publishing. So that is the real takeaway. Go High Level AI Studio can get you from a blank page to a working first draft much faster. But you still need to check the details. The images need to make sense. The calendar needs to fit properly. The buttons need to work. And the booking flow needs to be connected before you publish anything. That is the difference between playing with AI and actually using it properly. And that's the workflow. Start with a proper prompt, let AI Studio build the first draft, then check the details before anything goes live, because the page looking good is only half the job. The booking section still has to work. I'll leave the dog grooming prompt so you can test it yourself. Follow for more practical Go HighLevel tutorials without the fluff.